Hi guys, so it's lunchtime and we are going to cook lunch today. So come with me and let's make some lunch. I'm gonna make tofu sandwich. I'll be right back. That's all the ingredients. Hi guys, welcome back. Shut up. Okay, so this will be very quick. Ito muna siya. So we're going to make tofu sandwich pero my way. So, ito yung coat ng tofu, rice flour, and yung normal na flour. And then paprika, I think that's cayenne pepper, cayenne powder. Cayenne powder, and then some crispy fry, konti lang. And then, paminta, yun lang. And then ito, tofu to, malalaking cuts. You can buy this sa supermarket. And then, ang gagawin ko, I have 2 eggs here. So, ano mo lang siya dyan. Haluin na lang natin. Pag haluin natin, guys. At may class akong 6 p.m. It's almost 2 p.m. na. And ngayon pa lang ako magla-lunch. Kumain na ako kanina umaga. Hindi pa naman ako kuto. So, yan. Haluin lang natin, guys. Haluin. Parang kulang yung itlog. Pero okay na yan. Ako lang naman kakain. Kulang nga siya. Basag pa tayo ng isang itlog. Okay, ganyan lang. And then, coat na natin everything. Yan. Coat mo lang. And then, diretso na to sa frying pan. Hindi ko na ipapakita yung pa-fry, guys, ha. Kasi, alam nyo naman kung paano mag-fry. Isang beses lang siya ipafry. So, kayo, kung gusto nyo yung dalawa, pwede naman. Pero isang coat lang ako. And then, ang gagamitin ko tinapay, ito, sourdough bread. Painitin ko lang yung sourdough. And then, papalaman ko lang to. And then, lagyan ko ng onion, and then tomato. Tapos hot sauce. Tapos yun na. Yun na, guys. Yun na siya. Okay. Paano ko ipopost to? Dapat pinost ko na muna pala. Ayan. Daming eggs, 3. Dapat 2 lang. Pero hindi kasi kasha. Hanggang mamaya na tong merienda. I-heat ko lang yung pan. And then, I'll update you guys later. Oops. Ay, we're good. Oops. Hi guys, so everything's prepared already. I already cooked our tofu. And then I put some cucumber, and then tomato, and then sibuyas, onion. And for the sauce, we will be using Greek yogurt. Don't worry if you don't have yogurt, you can use mayonnaise. And then of course lime, and then asin. Just eyeball everything, guys. Ano to? And then put some water para medyo lumab na. And then vanilla flavor to, by the way, guys. And then some lime. Dapat meron tong, what do you call that? Bawang. Pero wala akong bawang. Nalimutan ko. Asin to, wala akong lalagyan eh. Bumili lang ako sa tindahan. Konti lang. And then mix. Lagyan natin ng water. You can add pepper pala. Pero the best talaga pag may bawang. Okay, so here's my sourdough. So plating na tayo, guys. Kita niyo ba? Or hindi? Okay, lagyan natin yan dito. So, lagyan natin yung sauce muna. And then, yung, tofu. Pwede nyo lang pag gantahin, pwede nyo siyang i-close, but then, better if separate. Yan, ganyan lang, guys. Very healthy meal. And then, lagyan natin ng sibuyas. I really love onions, by the way. Nalimutan ko. And then, of course, top it with the sauce. Sarap. Ang mamaya na lang yung isa. Actually, meron pa dito. And then, hot sauce. Don't forget it. Lagyan din ng hot sauce, guys. Wow! So yummy. Wow, ang sarap lang. Look! Nakikita niyo ba? Wow. Sana nakikita niyo. Kasi hindi ko siya pwedeng itagin. Ang sarap. The best, guys. Hope you guys like this video.